that I've never used before. I am having a baby next week, so I'm not wanting to hassle dye my whole hair. So as you can see, and I'll add a video, my hair is quite grey at the roots. That's about like 3 or 4 weeks regrowth. I'm gonna try this kit out here, which is I've never used at all before. I've not looked at any YouTube videos. I've not opened the box. I'm just gonna do like a full, never tried it, amateur video to see how it turns out. So I'm just gonna bring you along. I'm gonna open the box and show you guys how it goes. Okay, so first of all, let's just get into the box. As I said, I've not opened this, so I have no idea what's in it. I've got this little, looks like mixing bowl. This is the Root Touch Up Color Activating Lotion. And this is Permanent Color Cream. And you seem to get this little brush here. So, there isn't too many gloves, unless I'd say the gloves are maybe in here. It seems to be sealed at the top. Let me just open that and have a little look. Yeah, I can feel there's gloves in here now. So let me see what it says we need to do. As I say, I've never used a Root topping up kit. I usually just put a new one in, like a new dye all over, but I didn't want the hassle this time. So use an old towel to protect your clothes, put on gloves, place mixing tray on a flat surface, mix contents tube 1 and 2 in the mixing tray, and use the brush to mix it all through. Brush and comb your dry hair, okay, to your preferred style. So I assume that's the style you usually use it. Grasp the hand of expert control brush with the thumb and index at the middle. Okay, so it kind of curves there. This allows you to turn the brush with the remaining finish part throughout the hair, and the colour without putting the brush down. Part the hair with the styling tip. So I reckon that must be the styling tip at the back there. Apply the colour mixture to your most visible roots at the hairline. So that must be like your hairline and then the sides and the front, as you can see. And then you're just leaving it on for 10 minutes, which isn't that long. So there you guys go, that's what it looks like. And I'm gonna try this out now. No, we're gonna be quite quickly here. My toddler is running about, so I need to be quick. You know what kids are like. You could just come over and want mommy, mommy, mommy all of a sudden. So yeah, you should wear a towel. I'm not gonna bother using a towel because I'm wearing old clothes. I don't care how they turn out. So I am gonna fast forward this part, so you're not having to sit and wait through the, do not use your teeth either. You're not having to sit and wait and see like exactly every second take. So that's the first one in, no, that's the second one in, activating lotion. And this is the first one in. It seems to be really simple. Now I do have a good question for people. Does anyone know, can you just use like a normal dye, like a normal box dye with a little brush? Like, will that work, or is this like gonna blend better? Somebody let me know, because I feel like it was $5.99 for the bottle for this little kit, and I feel like that's quite expensive. So let me know if you think it's worth it or not. Like if you've tried the kits before, or you know, if it's just a matter of using the other ones. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix it up. I think I'm just gonna fast forward from here on. I just realized I have no mirror. Let me go get a mirror, because this is not gonna go well if I can't even see myself. Why would I do this without a mirror? That makes no sense. Okay.
it all on, I need to wait 10 minutes now for it to develop. So my thoughts so far is it was really easy to apply. Now the brush is actually fantastic. It's really good. I would recommend the brush. As a kid, I think it's really good. Yeah. Now I wish there was a little bit more product, but I think you just about got enough in it. So it really depends on like how it blends with my own hair, and how long it lasts really. So I'm gonna wash it out, and I'll show you what it's like at the end. So obviously I'm wanting grey coverage and just like a blend. I'm hoping it's not gonna be like very obvious where it is. Like, so fingers crossed. Grumpy baby! Grumpy baby! He's not up there. So this is the hair after. So Stuart was looking at it this morning. You know how great it was. What do you think of the greys?
Oh, it's no grey now.
No, none.
Not none at all.
What do you think? Does it look like it's blended? Does it look like the same colour?
Yeah, I think so, yeah. I think it does. It looks good.
What's wrong?
Oh, he's bad now.
Ah, bye bye. So I think we're happy with it. It looks good. It doesn't look like it goes dark to light or anything like that. Doesn't look random. So yeah, I would say buy this product. It's really good. It's really good. Bye bye.
Got the cap and seal of approval.